Today, we're going to make a delicious homemade pizza from scratch. No fancy equipment, just simple ingredients and a few easy steps. Let's get started. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need for the dough. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm water, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. For the sauce, you'll need 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. And for the toppings, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, and your favorite toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, or bell peppers. Step 1. Making the dough. First, let's make the dough. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's frothy. Next, in a separate bowl, mix together 2½ cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add the yeast mixture to the flour, then knead until a dough forms. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and keep kneading for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rise for about 1 to 1½ hours, or until it doubles in size. Step 2. Making the sauce. While the dough rises, let's make the sauce. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Stir for about 30 seconds. Then, add 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Let the sauce simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens. Step 3. Shaping the dough. Once your dough has risen, punch it down and divide it into portions for personal pizzas, or keep it as one large pizza. Roll the dough out on a floured surface until it's your desired thickness. You can go for a thin crust or thick, whatever you like. Step 4. Assembling the pizza. Now, let's assemble our pizza. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 245. Place the dough onto a pizza stone or baking sheet. Spread a layer of sauce over the dough, leaving a border for the crust. Add your mozzarella cheese and pile on your favorite toppings. Step 5. Baking the pizza. Pop the pizza into the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Step 6. Serving. Once your pizza's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, slice it up and enjoy. Here are a few quick tips. Use a pizza stone for a crispy crust. Don't overload your pizza with toppings, or it could get soggy. And for that perfect golden crust, brush the edges with a little olive oil before baking. Also, if you want a gluten-free option, just swap the regular flour for a gluten-free mix, or even try a cauliflower crust for a low-carb version. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this homemade pizza with me. If you try it out, leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes. See you next time!